Hi friends, I have a story to share with you. It's called Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. Oh good, it's you. Listen, it's getting late and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. Thanks. First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in the mood for a hot dog party. What'd you say? No? I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on, what's 5 minutes in the grand scheme of things? Yawn. What? What? I'm not tired! You know, we never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day. Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars. Can I have a glass of water? Studies show that pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. But it's the middle of the day in China. I'll just go to bed early tomorrow night instead. Hey, ho, ho. This here pigeon just won't go. Hey, ho, ho, please. My bunny wants to stay up too. You can't say no to a bunny, can you? Yawn. Okay, that was not a yawn. I was just stretching. I'm yawn 110% awake. You haven't heard the yawn last of me. Oh, great work. Thanks. Good night. Oh, look. He's dreaming of a hot dog party. That's the end. All right. Thanks for watching and being such a good listener. Bye-bye.